Okay, now we're getting into the UV polymerization path. From here, especially when you're looking for jobs that might be creating these machines or utilizing these machines, they are less prevalent than with FDM or powder bed fusion. And there's some reasons why. First, we're going to talk about material jetting. So material jetting is really, really cool. I am super stoked for when this scales. Basically, what you do is similar to binder jetting, is you actually will move across in one fell swoop with a liquid. But this liquid is a photopolymer. I'll talk about that more in a minute, but basically what it means is when it's hit with UV light, it hardens. It has a bunch of monomers, right? Monomers that are floating around, and as soon as UV light hits, they kind of go like that and they harden up. After the liquid is deposited, though, immediately after is a high intensity UV light, so it cures it right away. And what you get from this is an ultra fast process with dissolvable supports built in, because you can mix up what fluids come out of that print head, and you can do multicolored material right away. So here's an example of multi-material. This is some cover for some, I don't know, walkie-talkie or something. And then here is an example of multicoloring. This is without any post-processing whatsoever, maybe a little bit of polish on the external layer. Why isn't this everywhere? It's a good question. Why am I not going to tell you all of the different career paths and opportunities for jobs and stuff? Because it is just so expensive that no one is using it. The machines themselves are not that expensive. They're only about $30,000. I know that's not expensive, but the materials are stupid expensive. It's up to $1,000 per kilogram of material. So imagine passing that on to your customers. That's not really a value-added proposition to your services. It's because the IP right now is owned by Stratasys, and they sell all the resin. I think soon they might license that out to other companies, but for right now, not happening. So like I said, I'm not going to get into, oh, it's used in this and that industry. Right now, it's just kind of a tech demo.